Hey YouTube, it's EJ. Gonna sing Church Bells by Etta James, Beyonce. I don't know the whole song, so probably just gonna do the first verse. Um, I would love to know what you guys think, so please leave your comments and thank you in advance. So here we go. Hope you like it. I heard church bells ringing. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle. On her finger he plays the ring. I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard them promise to death do us part. Each word was a pain in my heart.